Good morning, students. In previous class, we learned up to 4 questions in exercise 5.2. Now, fifth sum. Fifth sum. The printed price of a book is rupees 150 and discount is 15%. Find the actual amount to be paid. Here printed price means market price. So market price is given rupees 150, discount percent is 15%. When discount equal to D by 100 into market price. 15 by 100 into 150. 0, 0 cancel. 5 table, 5 2s, 5 3s. 45 by 2. That is 22.50. So what is the discount given? 22 rupees 50 paise. So selling price. So selling price is equal to market price minus discount. So selling price here 150 rupees minus discount 22 rupees 50 paise. Then now what is the answer here? That is 23, 27, 127.50 paise. So the book can be sold by the shopkeeper with rupees 127.50 paise. 127.50 paise. So like that you have to do this problem. Now we'll see the next sum. That is 16th sum. 6th sum, sorry. 6th sum. The market price of a gift item is rupees 176 and sold it for rupees 165. Find the discount percent. Discount percent you have to find. Here, first of all, market price of the gift is rupees 176. Selling price is rupees 165. So discount equal to MP minus SP. That is 176 minus 165. So rupees 11. So 11 rupees is the discount. So discount percent formula, discount by market price into 100. Actual discount 11, market price 176 into 100. So which table will go? 4 table. 4 25s, 4 4s, 4 4s, 4 16s. Again 11, 4 times. 25 by 4. 4 6 are 24, 1 by 4. So what is the discount percent for this sum? 6 1 by 4%. Okay. Now we'll see the next sum. 7th one. A shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for 10 rupees each. 10 rupees each. However, 5 bulbs were fused and put them into scrap. Okay. Now the remaining were sold rupees 12 each. Find the gain or loss percent. Find the gain or loss percent. So here solution, cost of each bulb is rupees 10. So total cost price. So how many bulbs he purchased? 200. 200 into 10, that is 2000. So cost price of all bulbs is rupees 2000. Next, selling price of each bulb. Selling price of each bulb is 12. So how many total SP you want to find? Total selling price you want to find. So how many bulbs are there? Actually 200. In that 5 bulbs are fused and not working. So you have to remove that one. 200 minus 5, 195. Into each bulb is sold for 12 rupees. That is 195 into 12. 14, 23. Rupees 2340. Rupees 2340. So total CP is 2000, total SP is 2350. Here SP is more than CP. So you got gain. So gain formula SP minus CP. Rupees 2340 minus rupees 2000, that is rupees 340. So you got gain. So gain percent you have to find. Gain percent formula, actual gain by CP into 100. Actual gain 340 by CP 2000 into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. This 0, 70. So what is the actual gain here? Gain percent 17%. Gain percent is 17%. Okay. Now let's see another problem. So 8th one. Complete the following table with appropriate entries. Here you can see from textbook here one table is given. So you go through your textbook, then you can answer this one. So here in 8th Roman 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have to fill up the blanks. First one. So in 8th first one, here CP, expenses, SP, profit, loss, profit percent, loss percent. How to do all these problems? So first one here given, what are given? Rupees 750 selling price, expenses 50, profit 80. So you have to find selling price and profit percent. So how to find selling price here? So 750 plus 50. So total cost is 800. Profit is 80. So both you should add 800 plus 80. So rupees 880. So selling price is 880. Okay. Now Profit percent you have to find. Profit percent you have to find. Profit percent means actual profit by CP into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 tenths. So 10%. Okay, you have to find like this. So these you have to find here in this sum. These we have to find. So remaining all are given. Next, in second question, you have rupees 4,500, expenses rupees 500, and loss is given here, loss rupees 1,000. So you have to find selling price and loss percent. Selling price, loss percent. These two you have to find. So here total cost 4,500 plus 500, 5,000. This is CP. Loss means CP is more, no? So loss means you have to subtract here. 5,000 minus 1,000, 4,000. But he sold for 4,000. That's why he got loss. 4,000. So this one we find in this sum. This one we find. So here this one we find. After getting this SP, loss percent you have to find. Loss percent means actual loss 1,000 by CP 5,000 into 100. Zeros cancel. 520. 20%. So 20% is the loss percent. In this sum, these two we find. In this sum, these two we find. So in the same way, third one, 46,000. Here expenses 4,000 and selling price 60,000. Okay. Now we have to find all. Loss or profit or loss percent or profit percent we have to find out. So both you should have total cost is 50,000, CP is 50,000 and SP is 60,000. So you will get profit or loss. Here profit you will get because SP is more than CP, no? So profit is 10,000. Here loss we won't get. Here also loss we won't get. Profit percent if you want to get 10,000 by CP into 100. So here also you are getting 20% profit. Like that you have to do this problem. Next to fourth one. Here rupees 330, rupees 20 and loss percent is given 10%. So here we won't get profit or profit percent. That means you have to find actual loss and SP. So when here CP is given 330 plus 20, that is 350. Loss percent is given how much? 10%. CP loss percent is given. SP if you want to find 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. So 100 minus 10, 90 by 100 into CP 350. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. How much? 3 rupees 315 rupees 315. This is a selling price we find. And actual loss if you want to find 350 minus 315, 35 rupees 35. This is actual loss. And last sum in this Roman, fifth one, rupees 300 and rupees 50, and here profit percent is given 12%. That means you won't get loss. So here also SP and profit, actual profit you have. Now CP is add 350. Profit percent is 12. SP you have to find 100 plus 12, 112 by 100 into CP 350. 0, 0 cancel. 5 2s, 5 7s, 2 5s, 2 6. 7 6 are 47 5 35 39. So uh, selling price is how much? 3 rupees, so 392. So next you have to find profit percent. So actual profit 392 minus 350, that is 42. 42 by CP into 100. 0 0 cancel, 5 sevens, 5 twos. Already profit percent is given now, just you have to subtract here. All actual profit is rupees 42. So that's all. Remaining all you got. Like that you have to complete this table. Okay. So these things whatever we did, that one you can do in rough notes. Okay students. Thank you.